Wait a second, Mr. Editor. This is supposed to be a Superman's video, not a superhero's video. Hey, I'm just doing what I'm being told. I'm just doing my job. And this is for Charles Punk's birthday. Is it Charlie Punk's birthday video? I told you to make the Superman's video, not Charles Punk's birthday video. Who the hell is Charles Punk anyway? I don't know him. Charlie who? Well, anyway, if it is Charlie's birthday, well, you know what? Bakit, Charlie? Birthday mo ba? Alam mo na, Charlie, masama ang loob ng mga tiga Southern California sa iyo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ka pa rin nagbo-blowout. Birthday mo na naman ulit. Well, alam nyo ba kung bakit si Charlie ay nandito sa Southern California? Tumakbo yan dahil kay Jules. Kaya si Jules at si Ponce ay magkasama na ngayon. Dati girlfriend ni Charlie, si Jules. Kaya rin di makauwi-uwi si Charlie sa Pinas dahil hinahabol naman siya ni Paeng, dahil kung hindi, babarilin siya. Inagaw niya si Jules kay Paeng. Right? This is supposed to be the video that I would like to do, not Charles Punk's birthday video. Well, anyway, Charlie, iinom na lang ako para sa iyo. Hanggang ngayon, naghihintay pa rin kami ng blowout mo. Happy birthday na lang, Charlie. Yeah, forget about this.